All right, so I have acquired a table saw, secondhand if you can't guess. So it's actually my dad's, and we gotta tidy this guy up. So I think it'll get us started. That's what it'll do. It'll definitely get us started. So. Alright, so obviously this guy needs a lot of TLC, but we're going to clean it up as best we can. See if we can make this functional, at least working for what it is that we need to use it for. So probably gonna have to replace some things here. This guy's fucking broke. It's dirty. We're gonna tidy it up. It up a little bit just to work because it's gonna get dirty. No point in getting it super clean, but I think we got it working now. This guy's kind of neat. There we go. And guy's still kind of broken. Got this to work. Wait. Yeah, so this guy's looks way better. So we're good. Should be good. So we'll get it, start making some stuff now.